On this week's application example, we're assembling a plexiglass enclosure. The enclosure we're building today has interior dimensions of 380 millimeters long, 230 millimeters wide, and 332 millimeters tall. Along with the enclosure kit, I've got my 450 by 300 millimeter optical breadboard. This one is 1/2 inch or 13 millimeters thick. Our kit includes 4 vertical supports, hardware packs A, B, and C, our pre-assembled top, and of course, our plexiglass side panels. Each kit also includes corresponding step-by-step instructions. Step 1 is to make sure we orient our breadboard with the counter bore holes on the bottom to attach the vertical supports with the included cap head socket screws. Since we're working with a 1/2 inch breadboard, we need to use hardware pack A. Hardware pack B is intended for use with slim breadboard. Again, making sure that our breadboard has our counter bore mounting holes on the bottom side. We can start attaching our X2020s. I'm not tightening them down all the way so that when I'm putting in my plexiglass sides, there's a little wiggle room. Now that we've got all 4 vertical supports on, we can insert our plexiglass side panels into their appropriate places. You'll notice that the plexiglass panels come pre-taped with the neoprene tape. That is to provide support within the rails. Step 3 is attaching our pre-assembled top onto the top of our enclosure. Hardware pack C has the thumb screws we need to secure our top 4 corners. If you have any problems getting your top onto the rest of your enclosure, simply take a 3/32 hex key and loosen the internal screws that are within the top. Once your top sits down correctly on the panels, make sure to tighten up these screws again. Now that we've got our enclosure all together, don't forget to tighten your cap screws on the underside. I'm just going to pull my enclosure towards the end of the table and rotate it so I can get to each cap screw. Now that our top plate lines up and our side panels are secured and our vertical supports are also secured tightly, we can use our thumb screws to secure the top panel. Plexiglass enclosures are ideal for situations where experiments need to be isolated but are not light sensitive. Don't forget to subscribe for more application videos and find us on the web at baselabtools.com.